Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will enter to Google Classroom. After that we'll enter to first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app of Google Classroom. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.